Plastic has provided a multitude of uses. Humankind has benefited from convenience, affordability and functionality. But, tragically, the durability and flexibility of plastic is both its benefit and its curse. Plastic pollution is now rife and is engulfing our planet. There has been legislation rejecting single-use plastics, enforcing bans on single-use plastics, promoting engineering of circular and sustainable alternatives, and managing plastic waste at its end of life cycle. In partnership, let us develop systems to better reuse, reduce and recycle. In partnership, we can seek ambitious target agreements to end plastic pollution. In partnership, we must demand that governments and business act, commit and define new standards. Let us use our primate voice and choose to beat plastic pollution, protecting our tomorrows.